Okay, we're going to remove this light here. First, by removing this rubber boot, grab any one of these tabs and just work it out of there. And we're going to pull the connector off. Just pull it straight off. It's loaded with a protective grease of some kind. Pull the rubber ring out, which tightly wraps around the bulb itself. And there's a nice tight lip on there that seals. Get a good look at that. Then there's the clip. I don't think you can see that clip there. The cable's in the way. Yeah, there's a clip there, and it's got a double loop. The steel is looped around it. And you just push on that and then move it towards the top of the assembly. And then just swing it out in this direction. And then you can get a hold of the bulb. Pull it out. Don't touch the glass of the bulb. So looking head on to it, this is the top. This was the top of the bulb. And the center pin is the top of the bulb, looking at it from the back. So I'm going to set this aside and pause the video and go get the new bulb. So here's the new halogen bulb, and it's going to be wider and brighter and shine further down the road. So without touching the glass, I'm going to just put it right back in the way it came out. Try not to get any grease or anything on the glass. Spring clip out of the way. The 3 tabs all fit into a notch of some kind, evidently. And spring clip. Just put it right back in place. Start high and then drop it down as we press in on it. Good and secure. Next, we're going to slip the rubber boot over the bulb. It's pretty snug. Get it over the 3 tabs, make sure they're sticking through. Go around and press it in place. Give it a tug, make sure it's got a good snug fit. Now we'll put the connector back on. That doesn't feel right. Well, the boot feels okay. That's better. Not sure why it didn't feel right the first time. Okay. I'll stop the video and see if the light comes on. So the driver's side light is blocked by this fuse box here. So pretty tight space. I've got small hands, fortunately, and we'll have no trouble getting that out. Well, I will have trouble getting it out, but it's doable. If you have big hands, maybe some tools, forceps, I don't know, might help. Anyway, I'm not going to video record this. I don't think you're going to be able to see anything. Thank you for watching.